When I walk down the streets of Cairo unveiled, I do feel a certain pressure. I don't look like everyone else. It attracts attention, and some of it is negative. 3 decades ago, the hijab did not exist in Egypt. Up until 1974, I had not seen a single veiled woman. If you look at the Nasser funeral in September 1970, 7 million Egyptian men and women were on the streets of Cairo. You will not spot one veiled woman. Suddenly, we did not have much to hang on to. We had to find something else. And many young people who were born in the 70s were the first to run for the religious identity. The men of religion had wives and daughters who were not in the hijab until the 70s. So have they suddenly realized that it is required? I have read the Quran many times. I have read the Hadith. I have read interpretations of the Quran, and it is my personal belief that I am not required to wear the hijab. And 15 years ago, I could have engaged in a discussion with men of religion over that. Today, it is almost impossible to engage in a discussion of that detail. If you say that, it is blasphemous.